Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In the video yesterday, I told you based on the 1-day and 3-day liquidation heat map, the short-term target would be 105.5K, and I expect the short liquidation cluster at 106K to be cleared latest on Sunday. Again, the price action followed my arrow scarily well to the T upwards, but the price action was not able to penetrate the upper short liquidation liquidity box so far. It is now resting at the yellow dotted horizontal around 105.7K at the minute. If we push up from here, the momentum should be big enough to clear out the 106K liquidation box. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see that the move above 105.3K liquidated a lot of short leverage, moving the price from 105.3K to 105.9K. Above us, at 106.4K, it is very hot, just waiting to get taken off the map. But even above that, all the way to 107.5K and even 108.7K, short liquidation leverage is stacked up. Zooming into the 1-day liquidation heat map, we can see long liquidation leverage at 104.1K and 103.8K. In my opinion, this is way too much downside to be cleared with the current bullish momentum we have right now. Worst case in my opinion, and this is not financial advice, we could see a ranging at the dotted yellow 105.7K level or the red horizontal 105K level before the next move higher. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.